Good morning, guys. Today I want to present to you my unboxing and testing of my new 10-in-1 USB-C hub for my Surface Pro 9. It comes from a brand named Orico. It is a well-known electronic brand in China. I have seen this brand for a very long time and I am willing to try this brand, and this is the first time to try it. I bought it from Taobao China for around $40, which is in a budget range. Most of the time 10-in-1 hub might cost you around $70, I think. Here I want to give you the specification of this hub to the left side of this video. You can pause this video if you wish to read it. Okay, let's see what inside the box. Okay, here is the device itself. I think there will be some paper behind. Okay, here it is. Some paper. Okay, here is the USB hub itself. Okay, it look nice. I think this device is made of the aluminium. The cable is around, I think it's 20 centimeter. Okay, with a USB-C 10 gigabyte input. There are three high-speed here, as you can see. Here, three USB A with 10 gigabyte speed. Okay, as you can see, number 10 here, and one slower speed here of 480 megabyte. Okay, and there is a slot for power delivery, support up to a 100 watt, as you can see here, and there is one slot for HDMI, support up to 4K, a gigabyte, 1 gigabyte internet, and okay, there is here 3.5 audio port. Okay, and a micro SD and SD card slot. Okay, so here I think this is the indicator light, the Orico brand. As you can see, 4K, 10 gigabyte. Here there is some design grill. This is just some kind of a design. There is no air vent. I don't see it. Okay, yes, it looks clean. Okay, so let's do some testing. I have three devices to test. First, I have a Samsung T7 Shield with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, support up to 10 gigabyte interface speed, around 100 megabyte per second sequential read and write. So we'll see how fast it can go with this USB-C hub. And the second device, I have a Samsung USB 3.1 flash drive. I think it's model Fit Plus, 256 gigabyte. It has a speed for around 100 megabyte read speed. The write speed may be slower for around 100, I think. And the third device, I have the Samsung micro SD card Evo Select 256. No, it's 512 gigabyte with a 100 read and a 90 megabyte write speed. Okay, so as you can see, all three device, Samsung device. You can say that I am Samsung fan. Okay, let's see how fast it go. Okay, here is my Surface Pro 9. Okay, let's try with the Samsung T7 and this USB-C hub. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, let's fire up a crystal disk mark. Okay, and to find the drive. Here is the drive. Okay, let's do some 4 GB data testing. Okay, let's go. This drive have only 70% fill, so I think it will perform at least up to maximum performance. I don't think this is gonna be slow down the drive too much. Okay. Okay guys, the result is finished. Okay, as you can see, you got a sequential speed for around 900 and 600. I think the second column is the speed that you going to see in real life, because this drive I always test every day is the speed I get much only around 600, and the random read and write for around 200 and 100, as you can see. So the drive perform well. This USB-C hub perform well. So let's test the second device. Okay, let's test the second device, the USB Fit Plus USB drive. Okay, let's plug this in, and it's in up. Okay, let's try a crystal disk mark. So it's not recognized yet. Okay, here it is, 256 GB. It only fill up to 64, and we test with a 4 GB data. Okay, let's go. We should expect the speed for around 400, 300 to 400. Let's see if it reach the speed. Okay guys, this test is finished. Okay, as you can see, we got a sequential read for almost 400, 360, and with a write for around 100. So this hub perform very well. You got a maximum speed out of this USB fit drive. Okay, let's test another device. Okay guys, this is the third device, the Samsung 512 MicroSD Evo Select with this Orico drive. Okay. Okay, it's detached. Let's fire up crystal disk mark. Okay, where is the drive? Here. Okay, this drive is almost half filled, 42%, and we try with also the 4 gigabyte of data. Okay, well, let's see, let's go. Okay guys, here the test is finished. Okay, as you can see, you got a good read and write speed for around 90 read and 80 megabyte write. So this USB-C hub perform well with this micro USB with this micro SD card. Okay, thank you all, love you all, and I will keep this kind of video coming. Goodbye.